Flutterflow Tutorial for Beginners. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser and type in flutterflow.io. On the home page, click Start for Free at the top right of the screen. You'll be directed to a sign-up form where you need to enter your name, email address, create a password, and confirm it. After finished, click Create Account. Once logged in, look to the left side of the screen where you can view all your projects by clicking Project. You can also click My Team icon to monitor and manage your teams. On the Marketplace section, you'll be directed to a library of templates and UI kits to jumpstart your projects. Now, return to the dashboard and click Create New to make project. Name your project, then click Start Building. Inside the workspace, various tools are located on the left. The Widget tool lets you add element widgets to your canvas. The Pages tool helps you manage layers and screens, while the Widget tree gives a full overview of elements within your project. On the right side, you can adjust settings like visibility, alignment, fonts, shadows. When finished, click the eye icon at the top, right to preview your design.